What's good, my peoples?
Okay, ladies and gentlemen, introducing.
It's your girl Nicole. Welcome. If you are new, thank you so much for clicking on my video. And if you've been rocking with me, okay, thank you, boo. Okay, y'all, so jumping on into it, y'all already saw the title, y'all saw the, thumbnail and all that good stuff. So today we are dyeing our hair jet black. I have not dyed my hair jet black since 2018 or 2019. I get complimented all the time about how dark my hair is. So I would say that it's like a dark brown with like a couple streaks of lighter brown, which I do not like. So today we're dyeing it all jet black. Okay, so I am using this semi-permanent hair color from Adore. However, it is their Adore Plus, which is supposed to be extra conditioning, so we're gonna do that today. It also has argan oil and vitamin E. I picked this up from my local hair supply store, y'all. It was like $5, if that, and I bought two just in case, okay, because I got a lot of hair. Well, the directions say apply a generous amount to shampooed towel dried hair and comb through it and process for 25 minutes. I've already washed my hair and I wanted to make sure that I use something moisturizing, so I didn't use like my clarifying shampoo this time. I actually used this moisturizing shampoo by TGIN, and I use this because it is so moisturizing. I'll probably use a clarifying shampoo when I am actually rinsing this out. Well, I will be straightening my hair after this so you guys can see the final result. Okay, like I haven't done this to my hair in a couple years, so we're about to get it popping. I'm gonna just try to apply to each section and just work it through to my ends. Ah! It's everywhere. Make sure you got you a towel underneath you in case it drip everywhere, child, cause me, I'm dripping it everywhere. How we looking? For me, like jet black hair just makes your hair look healthy. Like it just, shiny black hair is just so beautiful to me. So in the beginning, like I was being careless, so of course it ran to my eyebrow, but it doesn't run that much. Like outside of my little situation, it's not running a lot, so it's not like really soupy. I used to hate like products that would just run down your face like before you have time to do anything. Like the consistency was just off. Well, look how dark my hair looks in this video. Oh my god, I love it already. So one bottle worked out for your girl. Okay, y'all, so I'm about to sit under the hairdryer for like 20 minutes and then wash it out, and I'll come back and show you what we got. All right, y'all, so we are back. I sat under the hairdryer for 20 minutes, like I said, and washed it out. So let's see what we got. Okay. You can't really tell much when it's still wet, but to me, like in real life, I don't know if it's jet black. It might be like the blackest black, but I don't know if it's jet black. Maybe it is. I don't know. I'm gonna come back to y'all once I've conditioned and styled my hair. Okay, guys, we're back. Okay, she is really black. Like, I love it. I love it so much. Now, I definitely think this is like maybe they should call this the blackest black. I don't think they should call this jet black though. Like I'm used to like jet black being like ridiculously black to where it doesn't even like fit my skin. Like this is like a black that fits your skin type of, like a soft black. You see soft black? Like I wanted a harsh black, but this is good. This is really good. I love it. I had my sister like kind of go across the bottom of my hair so that it can even out back there, because it was kind of like a dip in my hair the way it was cut. So my sister like, and she is not a cosmetologist, I just had her like do that for your girl because I can't get back there, but she looks good. I like it. I use my Tymo straightening comb and Tymo blow dryer. If you are curious, I have videos on both of those as well. Can't stop playing with my hair. Okay, so it is what I was looking for. It's just like a soft black though. Like I was expecting a really deep harsh black, but it looks really good. Let me know what y'all think down below in the comments, and I'll talk to y'all later.